Howdy folks, it's pineapple time. So this is a pineapple. I cut the top off a pineapple I got at the grocery store, Winn-Dixie here in Melbourne, Florida, and I just threw it, literally just put it on top of some dirt. We had a nice pot out there and the plant died, so I just threw it on top of it. And long story short, 2 years later, they got pretty big, and then a little baby started forming from it. And then over the course of 108 days, it grew from something like you could barely recognize to this pretty much full-size pineapple. Made videos that you'll see where I saw it growing and then finally took it out because it was at that point. And now I'm gonna cut it up. I got some gloves just in case. And I'm going to, I got this coring thing that I got from Amazon that I'm gonna see if I can use it to core. I think I've used it once before and it worked out okay. So we'll see here in a second if I can get these rubber gloves on. So as you can see, the pineapple is not huge, but it's still pretty hard. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna take this top off. I'm gonna throw it in the dirt, and maybe 2 years and 108 days later, we'll have another one grow from this. Anyway, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the top off. Look at that. Oh, I mean, it's about as fresh as you can get. Growing right in our front yard. There's the top. We'll see you soon, sir. And then what I'm gonna do is, some people cut this, but I'm gonna try this. This might be too big for it. Let's see. And then what you're supposed to do is just maybe I'll even make a drink out of this. I think it's there. And then I think what you do is just, okay, look at that. Okay, that's 2+ years of growing something I could get at local Aldi for $1.99, twice the size of that. But you know what? I'm gonna try this out. In fact, I'm gonna try a piece right now. Tastes pretty darn good. Cut this here. In fact, I'm gonna take a swig of this. Still alive so far. Tastes really good. So this is the little inside heart there, if you want to call it that, of the pineapple. And if I can cut this out, look at that. I'm gonna put that in the fridge. I'm gonna grind some of that with Malibu and some, maybe a pineapple juice outside of this. Put a straw in that boy and make a drink out of it. In fact, I'll show it to you. Take this in a few minutes and plop it in the ground, make a video of that. And then we'll be good with the pineapple, the journey of the pineapple, 2 years and 108 days.